Title: Understanding Passive Income Streams That Actually Work. Intro: Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of having a steady stream of income without having to trade your time for it? In this video, we'll explore some passive income streams that have been proven to work for many people. By the end of this 3-minute video, you'll understand what passive income is, its benefits, and how to get started with creating your own streams. What is passive income? Passive income is earnings that come in without you actively working for them. Think of it like renting out a property. You earn money from the rent without doing the actual cleaning and maintenance. To create passive income, you need to invest time and effort initially, but it can pay off in the long run. Benefits of passive income: having a passive income stream can provide financial security, reduce stress, and give you the freedom to pursue your passions. With passive income, you can enjoy more free time, travel, or simply live a more relaxed life. Types of passive income. Some popular types of passive income include dividend-paying stocks. Companies pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders. Renting out a spare room on Airbnb. Rent out a spare room in your home to travelers. Creating and selling online courses. Sell courses teaching your skills and expertise. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. Investing in dividend-paying stocks. To invest in dividend-paying stocks, you'll need a brokerage account. Choose a few stable companies with a history of paying consistent dividends. Set up a regular investment plan to buy and hold these stocks over the long term. Creating and selling online courses. To create an online course, identify your expertise and create high-quality content. Use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to host and sell your course. Promote your course through social media and other channels. Renting out a spare room. To rent out a spare room on Airbnb, set up a listing with clear photos and descriptions. Set a competitive price and communicate effectively with guests. Getting started. To get started with creating passive income streams, identify what you're passionate about and what you're good at. Research and learn about different types of passive income. Start small and be patient. Building passive income takes time. Outro: that's it. In this video, we covered what passive income is, its benefits, and some examples of streams that actually work. If you want to learn more about creating passive income, be sure to subscribe to our channel and comment below with your questions.